little town I know, and every 10 or 20 years or so, people gather to dance and sing, and to do some heinous evil things. The village elders rise from their grave. The very sight of it is quite depraved. Rituals bring them back to life. So hide your children and hide your wife, and be careful out there, oh be careful out there. Be careful out there, you best beware. Without a care, you'll end up in over your head. Oh, be careful out there, oh be careful out there. Be careful out there, you best beware. If you wake up from this party, you might be better off dead. Oh, there's a drink, a vile kind. Take a sip and open up your mind. Be careful if you drink more. Your heart and soul become an open door. They'll step inside, change what they will. The very thought of it just makes me ill. Believe my story, for it's true. If you wake up, you might not be you. So be careful out there, oh be careful out there. Be careful out there, you best beware. Without a care, you'll end up in over your head. Oh, be careful out there, oh be careful out there. Careful out there, you best beware. If you wake up from this party, you might be better off dead. Fire goes on for days, reliving folklore through songs and plays. Ceremonies go on all night, but the important part's a dreadful sight. One's chosen to play the part, and they cut from him their still beating heart. It's an honor, or so they say, but I remember his eyes that day. So be careful out there, oh be careful out there. Be careful out there, you best beware. Without a care, you'll end up in over your head. Oh, be careful out there, oh be careful out there. Be careful out there, you best beware. If you wake up from this party, you might be better off dead. Oh, if you wake up from this party, you might just be better off dead.
Yeah, that was
nice.
fun.
That was so
Guys, I'm having a blast. That's great.